glowing skin makes you look lovely and attractive. All of us want a glowing, smooth skin, right? But unfortunately, poor sleeping patterns, poor diet, inadequate physical activity, severe exposure to heat, and usage of chemically loaded cosmetics are playing their role in diminishing the natural glow of our skin. Fortunately, you can get back to the natural glow to your skin overnight with the help of some effective techniques. These effortless techniques are very helpful in repairing your skin and assuring you with the natural glow and spark of your skin. Here are some 5 best techniques to get a natural glow back to your skin overnight. Number 1. Apply milk. Milk is very helpful in cleansing your skin. Also, milk is loaded with skin nourishing properties. Apply milk all over the face before bedtime. Next morning, remove it with lukewarm water. This process gives a wonderful glow to your skin. Milk is considered as the best natural cosmetic for regaining the lost glow to your skin. Number 2. Apply papaya puree and honey. Apply the mixture of papaya and honey over the face before bedtime. Allow it to dry for 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. These 2 ingredients work magic on your skin even before washing. Hence, your skin can regain its lost radiance overnight. Number 3. Massage with almond oil. Almond oil is loaded with skin repairing properties. Massage your skin with almond oil before bedtime. Leave it overnight. Almond oil penetrates into your skin and supplies vital skin-friendly nutrients. This oil helps in removing the accumulated dirt from your skin and thereby helps in adding a natural glow to your skin. It also penetrates deeper into the skin to repair the dry skin problems. Number 4. Apply olive oil. Olive oil is loaded with natural moisturizing properties. Apply it before bedtime and allow it to sit on your skin overnight. Vitamin E and vitamin A are rich in olive oil. These 2 are vital vitamins in nourishing your skin. Due to these qualities present in olive oil occupied an important place in the beauty regime of many women across the world. This softens your skin and improves the elasticity of your skin. By acting as a natural moisturizing agent, olive oil helps to retain the natural glow back to your skin. Number 5. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera is a soothing agent for handling various kinds of skin irritations. Apply aloe vera gel on your skin. Leave it for 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. The effects of aloe vera gel stay on your skin even after removing it with water. As a result, you can notice a vibrant glow on your face the next morning. If you suffer from any medical conditions, make sure you consult your physician before starting this regimen. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share with your friends and click subscribe to stay up with Light Up Your World.